current bit rate is lower than the recommended bit rate. You know what? You can go fuck yourself. How do I share this? How do I share this? How do I share this? There we go. Alright. Okay. 1 second. There we go. Alright. Let's see, today is July 17th, 2019. And we'll do the Forex market analysis for today. Currently have a position on the euro. Look who it is, huh? Look who's typing in chat, huh? Yeah, let's see. I got this trade on the euro currently, and honestly, I'm not feeling too confident about it. Took it on the breakout pullback. It was a good setup, but the euro is rallying today, and let's see if there's any news actually. Fuck, go up. All right, it won't go up. Doesn't matter. I don't know. I'm just gonna take it as a retracement for the day. I mean, it doesn't look. Looking on the 4 hour, it doesn't look that strong, but this level is. I'm gonna have to watch for this. Looks like it might move sideways, like it might start going into a triangle. We'll see. I don't know. Or it might range here. I can't tell. Kind of looks like it though. Excuse me. We'll see. Maybe I'll get stopped out. Maybe it'll continue down. Be louder. Alright, well, hang on, let me turn up my fucking thing, because I didn't think it was that loud. I can't tell. I can't fucking tell. How do I fucking turn this thing up? Um. Okay, how about now? How does this sound? Fuck. How does it sound? Shit. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. All my subscribers are gonna unsub. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Dreams of man. Alright, whatever. We're gonna continue. Some dumb detractor telling me to be louder. Wow. No idea who this person is. Alright. Australian dollar, US dollar. Still kind of doing the weird megaphone. Nothing happening here. Alright, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Nothing. Oh, that's right. Australian dollar, Swiss franc. I put a short order on. 2 watching, I guess. So. Well, that counts me and you, because I have it open on my phone. I don't know. I guess we got a Randy here. I guess he's enjoying this. Yeah, so this was a double top RSI divergence. Good setup. and this candle today confirms what I'm looking for. So it'll probably my sell order will probably get hit in the next day or two. Nothing here. Oh, back down to one. We had one person hop in. They didn't like it. They weren't having it. Bitcoin's popping, and I'll show you how I know. Oh. Your typical bubble pop pattern. There it is. Complacency. We just need to cool off for the next rally. That's where it is. Psych. Anxiety. Denial. Panic. Once again, another bubble pop. Fucking idiots. It's just absurd. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Nothing going on there. I do really want to take this, but I can't. It doesn't fit my rules. It doesn't fit my rules, man. Besides, it looks like an ascending triangle. Actually, it is an ascending triangle. Wow, I don't know how I never noticed that until now. Yeah, that's an ascending triangle. It's going to break this 291 level sooner or later. Probably soon. In that case, I might look for a retracement. Where's the arrow? Look for a retracement to this top trend line here. Where's the circle? Somewhere around there. Your rules. Yes, I have rules. For setups, like if there's a certain setup, there has to be specific criteria for me to take a short or a buy order on it. Like if I were to short this, it would be because I know this is heavy resistance, and I know every time it touches this heavy resistance, we get sharp moves down, as you can see here. Boom. Boom. But there's no RSI divergence, and there's not. I can't really call this a double top or anything, considering there's like 8 other tests at this level. And also, now that I see this ascending triangle, it's definitely going to break out. Yeah. Yeah, I got rules for all my, like, where was I? Like here, I have to have 3 reasons to enter, always. My first reason, double top, right? Second reason is the candle. It's a shooting star, which is a bearish. Third reason is the RSI divergence. I always need 3 reasons. Otherwise, you're just, I mean, you don't even have a system then. Yeah. What's going on with the Dow? Dow moved down today. Ooh. Spooky. And that's a gap up, too. Interesting. Maybe we'll get an island top. And just so you know, island top is usually it's an exhaustion pattern. Usually it's a gap up, and then you have consolidation at the top, and then another gap down. Let's see. Euro Canadian dollar. Got some wedging, some RSI diverging, but nothing I can take. Yeah, this trade's gonna get. It's gonna fuck me. I can already tell. Euro Swiss franc. Double bottom. Had the RSI, really good RSI divergence, but it whipsawed me, to be honest. Today it came up, triggered my buy order, and then it just got pummeled back down. So we'll see. That's a shooting star next to a hammer, which I'm trying to think what that pattern's called. Barbed wire. Barbed wire. Candlestick pattern. It's a holding pattern, I know. It's consolidation, I know. Barbed wire, yeah. How do I say this? Okay. Okay, so tests. Yeah, so when I say like something tests a level, it means it's touching it again. Or it's like, yeah. Let me go back to this example here. Like you see this this 72,626 level. Well, this would be a test of the level. This would be a test of the level. Basically, it's price is getting driven to that point, and it's testing whether it's going to break higher or it's actually going to react like how it has historically to it. Like here, for example, historically, it's each time it's touched this level, it's gone down. It's gone down. So it's testing it, and the more that level gets tested, the more that level actually becomes a level, you know. But it also a lot of times it can also become weaker. Whereas you keep testing levels, sooner or later you're going to get a breakout at that level. Like with where did I just see that ascending triangle? Here, Canadian dollar, Polish zloty. Like these are all tests. This is a test. That level. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. It's testing that resistance or that support of that specific level. It's trying to break through. Hopefully that makes sense. Happens with trend lines too. This is a test. This is a test. This is another test. The more tests you have, the more it's confirmed to become what it is. You know what I mean? Hopefully that makes sense. Where was I? I think that should make sense. All right. Euro, offshore Chinese yuan, nothing going on here. Euro, British pound, really wedging up. Jesus. What you doing up there? Man, that thing's gonna break hard. It's gonna break hard. This pair likes a trend though. I mean, look at these trends on this thing. Jesus. Those are some good moves. Look at that one. Damn. Yeah. Flags on stuff you have a position in. No, flags are stuff I have a position on or stuff that I'm like keeping my eye on. Like if I think there's a setup that's going to form in the next day or two, I'll flag it. Euro Norwegian krone. What you doing? What is this? What is this fucking... This is ugly. Jesus. That's so ugly. That is insanely ugly. Fuck. That's nasty. It's a megaphone, but it's a really autistic, weird looking megaphone. Or actually, I think they call that a broadening wedge. I don't know what they call that exactly. Let me look that up. I mean, it looks like a megaphone, but it's not. I don't know. Never mind. Same thing, pretty much. Yeah, with the flat top. Yeah, right-angled broadening wedge. So it's not a megaphone. It looks so similar though. Let me show you. Here's a megaphone. Euro Polish zloty. Actually, I need to go back to this. Okay. Another short I took based off this triangle breakout. It's been consolidating in this triangle forever. And consolidating just means it's spending time, I guess would be a good way to say it. It's just moving in this specific pattern over a time period. A lot of people call it like cooling off after like moves. That's what consolidation is really. But I took it on a broke out of the triangle and a pullback to that bottom trend line, and it should continue down. We'll see. Not much going on here. Norwegian krone, Danish krone. This is another broadening wedge. I don't know how much higher it's going to fall. I should have took a short here. I was thinking about it too. I was like, oh man, that looks pretty. Sure enough. But I don't know. It's so... Yeah. Elohim. Yeah, that makes sense. Consolidating based on the support and resistance. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. Like, let me give you a good example. I explain by examples best. You know what? I'll do Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a good example of this. Bitcoin's a really good example. So, there's two ways, after the market makes big moves, there's two ways that, how do I explain this? That price will cool off, is what would be called. And that's either by moving sideways or retracing. Now, when it moves sideways, that means usually it's in a holding pattern. Like here, this is an ascending triangle pattern. And after the sharp move down, the market consolidated and cooled off sideways instead of making a big retracement, like sometimes you get. But yeah, I guess you could say, yeah, it's consolidating between support and resistance, a holding pattern, whatever you want to say. Now, if I can remember where I was, there we go. Okay. Verbal autism. I hope I explained that well. What else? Ooh. Nope, still not there. Uh-oh. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, I had a short on. Still hasn't been hit. It tried to go higher, actually. It's still so diverged. I don't know what happened today. They pumped all these markets today. They're ready to get shorted, I think. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm expecting tomorrow to be a big red day here. I'll be triggered. I know it. Actually, let's get the Fibonacci on this. Fib retracement. Ooh, right at about 0.61, 8.5, based off that high. What is a retracement? Sorry. Okay, so when you get a move down like this, a retracement is that shorter move up. It's retracing its move. It's retracing this move down, if that makes sense. That's also what pullbacks are. So let me show you another example. Like here, you got a massive move like this down, right? Massive move like this down. The market cools off and it retraces. right? And then even here you have consolidation sideways. All through here, you got a trading range. But yeah, retracement is just whatever direction. I mean, it could be up too. So like, this could be, here's your massive move up, and then you get a retracement here. Hopefully that makes sense. Ooh, no, maybe. Well, no. Ooh, I might have to take that. Why did I not take this actually? What the fuck was I thinking? I can still take it. Yeah, we're taking that one. Here's a good example. This was a triangle pattern, price broke lower, and then it retested this trend line. Honestly, where do I think this is going? Well, I don't know, I guess. Retest that low. Long term, we'll see. This will probably dox me. Let's find out. Is this gonna dox me? No, it's not. Okay. $29.2. 14.6. See, this is why I didn't take it. What you doing with Rand Yen? I'm shorting it. Selling it. Putting a sell order here. Oh yeah, my bare minimum for all my trades is 2-to-1 risk to reward. So I risk, yeah, I only take 2% per trade. So I risk 2% and I try and double it. That's my bare minimum. Oftentimes I'll let trades run. Like I expect this, I'll let this run probably down to the 7.167. I just have to, bare minimum though, I always aim for 2. And then once it hits 2, I usually adjust my stop to my break-even point. And I always put my stop loss behind resistance. Here we even have the 200 moving average, which is usually really strong resistance too. So this is actually really good. I actually have a couple reasons to enter this. And there's even tweezer tops they're called. But that looks like that's a double top on the 4-hour with the RSI divergence. And then I think these are called tweezer top candles. I'm almost positive that's what their name is. Images. Yeah, it's not perfect, but back to back. Yeah, tweezer tops. We have the breakout pullback, the 4-hour RSI divergence double top, Shooting star candle. 200 moving average as resistance. There's a couple reasons. Fuck this fucking pair, dude. The spread on this is fucking annoying as fuck, though. $16.4, 30.8. What the fuck? See, this is fucking pisses me off. Come on. What's the spread at 6.4? Alright, whatever. They're gonna keep fucking me. I think that's almost all my charts anyway. I'll come back to that. Anything else? Gold Japanese yen. What's going on here? We got a broadening wedge here. Jesus. I don't know why I didn't have this chart ready. Alright. What is going on here? Oh, it's got an ascending triangle this high up. No, it's kind of just a triangle. I don't know what the fuck this is. Alright, I'm probably boring you to death. Let's see what else. Silver Australian dollar. Ooh, that's a big move today. I don't know why I should have these charts ready. Slacking. Okay. Wow, that's a massive move. Jesus. It's a divergence. Yeah, my friend is a divergence, so look for a short on that. The next coming days. Can I even trade this? I don't know if I can. No, I can't. Lets me look at it. What's regular gold up to? Did I skip that? Gold US dollar. Holy fuck, big move. That's silver. Fuck, what am I doing? Looks like they're gonna fade this. You are not boring me. I was just thinking how much I enjoyed chilling with you here learning. I can't speak my mind. Oh yeah, ooh, I'll have to look at that after. Okay. Silver. That's right. God, wish I had. I wish my account was as big as it is now when this happened. I saw this and I was like dying inside because I couldn't trade it. It was such a good setup though. Fuck, look at that. Perfect RSI divergence. Perfect double bottom. Let's see, what would my risk reward on that would have been? What? I probably would have aimed for that. God, such a sexy setup. That's so perfect. Yeah, that would have been like 4 to 1 risk to reward, and it's only going higher too. Let's see where's silver at on the weekly. Oh fuck! Look at that bubble back in 2011. Let's see, where are we in the psychology of the market cycle here? Let's say we're right about what? Disbelief? About to start another bubble? I'd say so. I'd say so. And here's another micro bubble. Same cycle. Same cycle. Just repeats. I think that's about everything. Maybe we'll look at the tech stocks. Let's see. Do I have Microsoft in here? I do. Microsoft. What are you up to today? Let's look at it on the weekly. That's sustainable, right? That's really sustainable. Well, that's about to become an engulfing candle. Monthly? Let's take a look at the monthly. Yikes. Yikes. .com 2008. The everything bubble. That's so absurd. Let's see, Facebook, where are you at? What are you up to, buddy? Google? Google, what are you up to? Google actually double topped. Wow. Double topped with not an RSI divergence, believe it or not. I should have these charted. But on the monthly chart it is an RSI divergence. Let's see here. What percentage? Okay. So they have what's called the FANG, which is Facebook, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Apple. And Microsoft should be in there too, but they don't include them. But the FANG alone make up 11% of the S&P 500. So what happens in these stocks controls a lot of what happens over the total stock market. What did I miss? Apple? Did I look at Apple? No, we're gonna put that there. It looks ugly. looked at Amazon yet either. Oh, fuck. I think I was talking about this the other day, how I was double tapping. Yikes. Yikes. That's so diverged, too. These things are so fucking ready to go. Oh my god, look at that on the monthly. So each candle represents 1 month of price movement. That is absurd. God, look at that. That seems to be the major trend line. Once this thing's broken, bye bye. Bye bye. Alright, I think that's pretty much everything. Deutsche Bank. Excuse me. Yikes. Yeah, that's everything. Any final questions? No? Okay, no final questions. Alright. Alright, I'm wrapping this up. That's my analysis for July 17th, 2019. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Well, reasonably stupid. Alright. Good night.